Alright, you guys, I made it into Marshall's. Look at all the pretty, so pretty, right? Just want to take a vacation. This one is by Sunday State, $10. And these two, these are cute as well. I kind of like the large ones. These are all 10. I feel like they might all be 10. 10 as well. And then we have Piper K. They're like little leaves. If you love that. Oh my gosh. We have St. Patrick's Day. Are you guys gonna dress up for St. Patrick's Day? I don't know. I feel like if you're a teacher or something, it might be fun for the children, right? And these little ones. My gosh. Oh, look at the large. Okay, this is one you need. It's like when you go to Hawaii and put the little flower on your head. These are $7 by Piper K. With the pinks and yellow. I like the pink one. The larger butterfly clips. I remember putting on butterfly clips in high school. 10. And the whole little twisties. And then you put the clip. Oh my gosh. He's a whale. A whale shark? Am I wrong? And I have these at home. They do come in handy, like if you're washing your face. Look how cute. The tulip and the sunflower. Love sunflowers so much. Now these have a little bit of texture on it. Like they're bumpy. Oh my gosh, speaking of that, did you guys see there is a Braille printer? I saw it online. So like if you're writing like an email or something like that, you could print these pages and they print in Braille, which I thought was really, really fascinating. $8. Then we have Be Mine. I thought that was really cool. Like a label printer, you know, if you need to paint like sugar, paint, you know, print sugar, flour, whatever, I'll print it in Braille for you. That, I believe that's like really cool. I'm surprised we didn't have that. Look at, oh, here's like the pillow scrunchies. These are very fluffy, kind of like a jacket. These are $8. Makeup brushes are 3 by Eco Tools. The soft, we got plush powder, soft highlighter. I haven't tried Eco Tools. Some are $4.50, some are marked down with the yellow tag for $3. So I guess depending. ColourPop $3 was $4.50. Glow Up Collagen Lip Balm $6 for. I feel like they could add one more tag. Color Dip. Oh, this is a good one. The nail dipping powder, like in the glitter form. $2 right here. Lip balm, SPF 30. I'm actually looking for a really good SPF that's not gonna leave me like white casted. Trying to find one. It's kind of difficult. Maybe I should do like a tint. This is $8 on the Body Sculptor. IGK. This is really good too. A good brand. I love it. Argan Oil $6.99. Salted Caramel by Body Prescription. Vanilla Sugar Shimmer Body Oil will be $8. And then $10. See on the oils again. Vanilla Brush. No, Vanilla Blush. I'm so sorry. $8. Oh my gosh. But one thing about the body glitter, they don't really smell. Like you smell it in the beginning, but they don't last. But you do see the shimmer. Hydrating. Oh, look at this B one for $5.99. That's really cute. Blush Duo Rose Pink. This is by Ellen Tracy for $5. And then we have the blush one right here. Built in. Bright eyeshadow sticks. These are $4. Just a lot of blush and bronzer. I don't see any really too much of name brand makeup. These are pretty. I like the pink one. And you get 2 in the back. Those are 10 by Rachel Zoe. We have the cherry one. These are 10 as well. One comes with the brown one. It's a cute little peach man. He's 7. I love the polka dot. I wish these were on yellow tag. I did show these before. Here's a new Juicy. It's like an unfold out one. This is $8. One with a bow on it. Says Juicy for $12.99. Little bling on the side. So it looks like we're gonna get Maybe more makeup bags. Here's the doggy ones. I know a lot of people love like the crossbodies. They will be 8. So you have it in pink. Look at all those cute doggies with the little hearts on them. The wiener dog, Chihuahua. One day I will get a Chihuahua. I always make that joke with my family. I'm gonna get a Chihuahua. And then they can just make fun of me. But I don't know why. But I hear that they're just very barky. Maybe that's just all tiny dogs. I don't know. Okay, there's no price on this one, but I did find it. And you know the bottles are pretty. Look at that. Aren't they so pretty? The other one was like a blue one, and they have like the oil dropper, and some are a mist, but they smell so fresh. You guys, like cut flowers, smell so good. Okay, more of the Ed Hardy we've been finding everywhere, but this Wrangler looks like a distressed denim for $35. Here's another Aero bag with the doggy, little Frenchie with this little hat. That one is $20, a little coin pouch. And when we've been finding a lot of Von Dutch too, these are going to be $40. You can find it in pink, blue, lime, green, and then a lot of Patricia Nash. More Patricia Nash, but look at this nice red one. I think we did see it. See, there's that one, large Steve Madden. 50, now 40. I like the suede feel. I like those bags. I like the shape of it too. Okay, this one's 15. Little card holder. This is really, really cute. Two really simple. And on the inside, let me show you the little eyeball with the wings. If you need a simple card holder, pink goes in a black bag. Perfect. Look at this cute cherry one too. That's adorable. $12.99. This one has like a little martini. Oh, this is a key ring. Kind of just hidden in here. Or you know what? Does it come in a set? Maybe come in a set. Looks like House of Harlow. Okay, for $15. You get that little charm. Haven't seen that one. Clear ones. Steve Madden. These are, I believe this one might be 20, no 15. Aldo is 20 on the cherry heart. Nanette Lepore. More Steve Madden. I kind of like this look too. Let's find out. $12.99. And then you have True Religion, just a simple wristlet, which is only $15. The simple wristlet's not bad. The little denim one. I don't think I've seen this one. $29.99. And then more Steve Madden. You got the tote. Tons of Juicy. So I'm going to skip on that. Kate Spade. Plenty of Scrub Daddies. Outer space shapes. We have Planet Rocket and a star. I think these might be 10 here. No, $7.99. I was wrong. Here's a bunny one. You got the chick bunny. And here's like a cute little turtle. Oh, the turtle looks like a frog to me. Turtle, starfish, and then dual-sided shell. It's kind of funny. And they also have Scrub Mommy. This one's Scrub Mommy. That's Scrub Daddy. Okay. And then the regular one. Oh, look at this one. More Scrub Mommy. The crown. Heart eyes. So funny. Okay, anything cool? There's a lot of cleaning products in here. There's soap. These are $5. Lemon and citrus. We have lemon, pink, and grapefruit. I actually do enjoy grapefruit. I know a lot of people don't, but I love it. These wooden bowls. These are $12.99. The little ones with the spreaders on it. The cake domes. Okay, look how adorable. Don't you guys think these are adorable? The hens at $10. Like, what would you put in here? And they also have a colored one, which I think is kind of cool. I like how the feathers, whatever, are colorful. That's really cool on the glass jar. I feel like that would make a cute gift too. You know, maybe put a little bit of their favorite chocolate or something. Or jelly beans when it comes for Easter. That could totally work. And $8 right here. They got the little jelly one. Mason jars are very inexpensive here too. Like that large one is only $10. Next to me, $7. $5.99. It comes with the bamboo lid. Look at all these different versions of mason jars. And this set right here is only 20 on the container set, and you have little tiny ones for $8. You only get 3 in this set, and food containers, which I do need. There's a pickling jar, fermented jar. This one is 7. Yeah, you could. Oh, this is kind of cool. The kimchi recipe at home, and it tells you everything you need to make kimchi. But you know, you can make your own little pickles and everything you want. I never seen a pickling fermenting jar, just like a glass jar. That's kind of cool to find here. I've only seen one. Oh, check this one out. I'm all amazed by glass jars. But come on. Pretty. Okay, this is just all. Most of these are $10. Of course, we have Snoopy, Charlie Brown, and Winnie the Pooh on the cute, adorable soup jars. You get 4 in here. They are glass though, and they will be 8. You want little square ones too. These are $5.99. $20. Okay, that's nice. $12.99. $550. I did find the Coca-Cola glasses, the little mini ones. You will get 6 in here for $8. Little mini Coke shots. And like, you know what? I haven't seen these at the Dollar Tree in a long time. Actually, I don't think my Dollar Tree really has glassware anymore. But remember the Coke ones you could find? They will be $10. Okay. And this set is a 20, 50 on top. Let me have this one too. Don't these look a little smaller? They're $7.99. I feel like they are. The butter dishes, okay. Oscar the Grouch kitchen cookie jar is still here. I feel like nobody wants it. These are really nice too. I always see these in Home Goods as well. They're only $29.99. Collagen, healthy hair, skin, and nails, $7.99. Irish sea moss detox for detoxing, $8. And a total body one will be $8 too. Probiotics and cleansing to help fight bloating and support digestion. Okay. Mushroom blend. Yeah, definitely do research on like mushrooms. It's like supposed to be really, really good for you. Green apple gummy candy. I'm so addicted to gummy candy. It's like really, really terrible. Honey. Let's see. Honey is 15. Australian honey. We have tea in the house. Polished dill pickles are here. I've never seen pickles here in Marshall's, so that's gonna be a first for me. $5.99. And they have asparagus, pickled, and then pickled carrots. They are $5.99. If you're wanting maple syrup, only $5.99 here. This frame by Shabby Chic, $7.99. $7 on top. Love looking at the picture frames. That's $8. I see this guy everywhere, $7.99. And that's for your face. I was like, what is that? $8 right here. Oh, they're little blinged out carrots too. Let's see, $10 down here. Cute little turtle guy. Let me pick him up. He's adorable. He's $8. And the little toad, I mean, I could paint this if I really want to. And what I love about it is that it's a solid piece. Well, hollow right there, but he's solid. And we have the cat. I have not seen the terracotta eggs yet, but I'm crossing my fingers for Walmart. I mean, they did have the pumpkins, so hopefully we'll be able to find some. Look at this girl. Right here, the bunny. She's baking. She's a baking bunny for $12.99. We do have the puzzle. That one's really cute. Little Peter Rabbit or bunny puzzle. A lot of Martha Stewart, and there's still plenty of the bunny in the teacups. Okay, they find a new gnome. A very zen gnome for $10 on the mushroom. And I'm not sure if you've seen this one. There's quite a bit of like this one by Martha. $12.99. I think we might have seen this one. No, it's not by Martha, but she does have one just like that. And of course we've seen the tomato one. Again, if you love the strawberry crew, you gotta head to Ross. $8. So cute in her little tutu outfit. Look at his hat. He's a little kettle. That's so funny. Little water can. It is solar. He will be $29.99 and $30. So we got this guy right here. Again, this little snail friend on top. That's really cute. I like the color though. I like the paint, the color. Okay, somebody bought the cat, the smoking cat. He is gone. Really cute little girl boots. These are 18 in the yellow tag. Oh gosh. It's a little like urinal for the bathroom. It's kind of funny. These are 15. Uh-oh. And all, you know, all the cute baby stuff. It's just coming out. All the fun spring colors. And those are the fun keychains I keep showing you guys. So yeah, they have them in TJ Maxx too. Five Below too, but you only get one. But if you want two, you come here. It's a really, really cute dinosaur. And the bib and the cute little outfit. It's a red tag. $12.99, now $10. I like this doggy one over here. Let me pull it out. Little brother. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute little bears on it. How stinking adorable. And then it says little brother. And a cute doggy. The Snuggie blanket. These are $7. Look, there's a little cute frog one. He's like a frog ghost. Little frog ghost. A little elephant ghost. The lion. The rabbit is 10. Oh my gosh. And they're really, really soft. So soft. This is 15. I know a lot of people are loving this brand. This is in the men department. Hurley. These are 10. Welcome to Paradise. And if you're needing like a collared shirt, you know, they're 15. You can find Kenneth Cole in here. Tommy's 25. A lot of these Perry Ellis. Actually, my husband needs some more black collared shirts because they're all faded. Alright, for men, there's a lot of jewelry right here. 13 from 17. On the basketball one, I saw that in a different one. Yeah, these are 12. If you're needing a bag, these are 15. The crossbody bag, multifunction. We have Adidas. There's several to choose from. A lot of Adidas though. These are 17. A lot of cardigans and skirts. This is 25 right here. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And this Marshalls. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. If you like this striped cardigan, this is 25. 25. And the little ruffles, which I think I did share, these are 25. Like a sweater and the collar. But I like this one right here because I like the pants. I think it's like really, really cute. And there's that little lace peekaboo on the end of the sleeves and the bottom. I like that. And then I did find the blue pants I've been talking about, button up. So I found them, but these are I feel like these stop at your ankle. Got a couple flowy tops, and this one's 20. A lot of Tommy sweatshirts. They will be 20 as well.